Hello, this is Marcus Oswald, and this is my video for Project 1. The first thing I did in this project is I went to the gateway and pinged 8.8.8 and pinged google.com. Since google.com was not able to ping, I then changed the etcresolve.conf file to add name server 8.8.8.8. This allowed me to ping Google. From Google, not only allowed to ping Google, I did the wget to get the rc.firewall file, and then I installed DOS to Unix, ran DOS to Unix on the RC firewall. This was to remove any hidden characters from the firewall. I then modified the RC firewall. I changed the LAN 0 and the LAN 1 IP to match the topology given from ThothLab. I also changed the web IP address, the mail IP address, the SSH IP address, and the DNS IP address. DNS IP address and the internal private subnet to 10.0.0.4, and the internal to be 10.0.0.0/16. From there, after running the firewall, after modifying it, I then ran the firewall and SSH'd into the server account, SSH into the server. First thing I did from the server was that I did route to check to see if the default gateway was correct, which it wasn't. I then modified the default gateway to 10.0.0.4. After doing that, I was able to ping 8.8.8.8 and apt-get install Apache. After I installed Apache, I then changed the index.html file from var/www/html directory. This was my hello world page. As see if I go to the server, this is what it looks like. It's a blue page which says hello world with the title saying MNO Oswald hello world. From this, now if I go to the client, I checked to make sure the default gateway was correct, which it wasn't. I then modified it to match the topology given to us. And as you can see, I cannot ping 8.8, the server or the gateway. But I'm able to connect to the, I'm able to access the hello world from the server. And just to show, I was not able to access google.com. The reason why I was able to access the domain of the server from the client was because if you check the IP table policies, it allowed dport 80, which was the HTTP protocol, HTTP protocols, and since the client was already established, it was allowed to go through. There were no other changes I made to it because the RC firewall accounted for this, did all the other changes, and that was it.